As mentioned in our last episode, our guests had enough holiday and it was on us to get a day off. Dani and Julian had to manage it all by themselves, so we can relax a little bit. It started with a breakfast and they went off to get some fresh bread. The tasks were distributed clearly. Dani was on the rudder, while Julian set the sails. We had an extreme relaxing sailing day. They both did a really good job. It looked like they were doing it for ages. They sailed us just to a beautiful heart-like shaped island, Galeshniak. We anchored in front of the island and enjoyed the view from the deck. On the next morning we went to the KRKA Waterfalls. For that we had to go from Šibenik along the KRKA river all the way up to Skradin. On the way, we had to pass a bridge. For me, standing on the rudder, it looks like it will never fit. I really was convinced our mast is too high. But obviously this was just a matter of a perspective. We spent a couple of hours by watching the beautiful waterfalls. But it was time to pay another Uno wager. The night before Dani lost and just she had to do 100 push-ups. Whenever we said it's time for another set, she went on the ground and did it. Congrats for that. Surprisingly, she even still had power for a jumping session with me later at night in Skradin, where we anchored for the night. Sadly, the next morning we had to bring them to the bus station. But it's not time to say goodbye, it's just time to say see you soon again. It was a really great time with you guys and we really hope you will come back very, very soon.